This is today is Thursday, March the 16th, and here we have a single phase AC switch, two SCRs and anti-parallel, and we have for this particular test 480 going in, and we have a lamp load going out. We have the MVTB2-1 board that we have jumper GU1 installed so that we can fire the two SCRs out of a single input. If we remove GU1, we will only fire the SCR where we are connecting our GOAB controller board. The board is configured for 12 volts command, and when the 12 volt command is applied, the board will fire and will have an output. And here we have a 480 going through one pair of anti-parallel SCRs, and we go the line, and we're going to measure here AC voltage going in or AC output going out, and this is an all or nothing situation. And here we're looking at some signals in the GOAB, and we're going to show what happens when we enable. We'll take a look at the output, and then we'll remove JU1 to show what happens when you only fire one of them, which is the way that GE Research intends to use the board, with either one or two. So the boards are powered on, 24 volts AC and 24 volts AC here. And I'm going to turn on the 480. So at this point we have 480 going in. We don't have anything on the load or on the output, and the board is enabled. So I'm going to ask Tony to apply 12 volts between positions 2 and 1 of J1, and go ahead. There you go. So now you notice that we got 476 going in, 474 coming out. The board, it's showing that enabled. Because GU1 is installed, we have two amber lights, so two SCRs. We have a firing signal. And Tony, can you close down so that we see a nice AC waveform? And we can see the waveform on the green light. So that's what we're measuring here with our differential probe. Go ahead and remove the enable, Tony, please, the enable signal. And we see that we only have our oscillator. We are not firing, and we don't have an output. And we can verify that here we don't have an output. The last thing that we're going to do is turn this 480 out. Can we remove JU1, Tony? Alright, JU1 is removed. We'll notice that only this channel that it's being powered for the GAB will be on. We'll see the enable signal. This one will be off, and we'll take a look at what the output looks like. We'll bring in the 480 again. So two boards are powered. Go ahead and enable, Tony. And we can see that we only have 345 volts AC, and we're only firing on the negative cycle of the AC. So this is the end of this video.